Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers, sisters. I will give you advice about death. Without good deeds, your death is bad for you. Very big problem for you. Two things come to your life suddenly, death and bad time. My brother and sisters, do good deeds because death will come. Other sisters, when your youth, child and wealth are not going to work for you. Prophet said the power of the world is temporary. Kings of great power were destroyed by death. If there was any dirt on the cloth of the kings, the servant would quickly clean them. So till where they are, no one went with him. Said only good deeds will help you. Oh, what are you doing? Please think about them and don't waste your time. My brother, sister, two things come to your life suddenly, death and bad time. Bad time and death can happen to anyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.